My name is Jeremy Reed. I go to PS 115, and I've been debating at the American Debate League for about 2 years. Our first argument is undocumented immigrants hurt the job market.
So the topic that I'm debating about today is immigration, is that immigration reform should include a path to citizenship.
Pro side is saying that they should be able to if they want to, not that all undocumented immigrants should have citizenship.
Illegal immigrants currently, or undocumented immigrants currently living in the United States should be offered a path to citizenship.
Well, I think the kids in the beginning, they really weren't interested in it. They were kind of like forced told, but as it went on, it began to grow on them. What I did notice that the kids actually started having conversations and being able to express their thoughts and points by backing it up with some form of evidence.
The fact of the matter is that America simply cannot afford the burden of immigrants right now.
I'm going to say debate changes lives.
So the topic of immigration is very timely. Of course, this is what we are debating and wrestling with as a nation. And so it was a good introduction for the young people to be able to follow contemporary stories.
My name is Sherry Illich, and this is the American Debate League.
My name is Rainey Reed, and this is American Debate League.
My name is Wesley Ramsey. This is